Hello viewers, how are you? Hopefully you're fine. This is my best auto trading bot. I will give you free of cost. You have to try it. If it will give you the profit, then of course you have to pay me. Okay, this is the best offer because I receive a lot of questions. Please give me the trial. Please give me the trial. So I decided if the bot is working, then why I am not giving you the trial? Yes, of course I will give you the trial because the bot is working awesome. Okay, you have need to, if you want to try in the demo account, of course you have need to give me your trading account number of demo account. There is no issue. If you want to try in the real account, then of course you can try. Okay, and let me show you here. So far from the last 3 days, it's give us the profit of around $334. Okay, here in the history, here you can see this is the history of last day. Okay, in the last day you can see the date 20 July. In the 20 July, it's give us the profit of around 129 and 126.44 dollar. Okay, $126 in one in the today. Okay, 20 July. Okay, you can see the date first. 20 July. Okay, today date is 20 July. Here you can see the date is 20 July. Okay, so in the today it gave us the profit of around more than $100, $126, and still there are a lot of time to end this period. Okay, today still there is around maybe more than 8 to 10 hours is still remaining to end this day, and hopefully to end this day you will get the profit, a very good profit. Okay, here you can see so far profit is $246. Okay, from the last 2 days, and if you will see the result of last 3 days, in the last 3 days we get the profit of $334. So this is really awesome. Okay, first I will you have need to contact me. I will show you the contact details as well. Okay, let me show you the contact details here. You have need to contact me on my WhatsApp, Telegram, or Gmail. Okay, Gmail, Telegram, write one at the end. Okay, and you have need to contact me, and you have need to send me your trading account number. Okay, I am using a very simple logic in this bot, very simple. But the most important thing is the money management. I manage a lot of logics. I put a lot of logics in this board uh, to manage the money. Okay, because without money management, this board is zero. Okay, this simple logic is zero, or you can say lot of loss if I will exclude, or you can say I will not add the logic of money management in this board. Okay, because in this board money management is the everything. Here you can see buy trade and the sell trade both hedge, you can say it's a hedge. Okay, but do not worry because I use a money management, and when the market will go break from this point, or you will say market will break from this point, it will quickly grow, give the profit. Let me show you some history. Okay, here you can see there was, and remember the most important thing is the point zero 0.01 lot size. In each state the lot size is just point 0.01, but if you want bigger lot size, then of course the lot size option is available in the input. You can choose higher, you can put higher lot size like 0.1, 0.05, whatever. Okay, according to the lot size you have need a big capital as well. So how much money you need to start this board? So I say you can start the board with the $300, but if you want that your account will be saved 100%, then for I will recommend more than 500, like 600, 700, 800. That is actually very safe. If you have $1000 in the account, then do not need to worry about anything. Okay, but I'm not saying, but okay, I'm not saying that you have must have at least $1,000, maybe 500. You can start the boat with the $300, but remember it's a little bit risky. Like out of 100, you can say 10 to 15% just risk involved. Okay, but if you have more than $500, you have around risk is just 1 to 2%. Okay, if you have around $800, maybe $900, or more than $700, then your account is 100% safe. Okay, because the last time market was too volatile and markets go so down, but the board give proper money management and it give a proper profit. Like in the last 3 days, it gives the profit of around 200 $334. So at the end of the 3 days, hopefully you will get the profit of around $400. That is estimated. Okay, some days you will get more than $200 in a single day. Okay, sometime you will get maybe $90, maybe $100, maybe $120. Okay, on the average you can say the minimum profit in each day of 24 hours trading, you will get the profit of minimum $100, maybe $80. Okay, on the average you will get the profit of around $150, maybe $170. But the maximum profit you can get is around maybe 190, 195, maybe 200, and maybe 235. Okay, that is the maximum average. Okay, of this boat, because I tested it. Because hey, let me show you, this is the all versions. Okay, from we will start from the 1, and we goes from 1 to 70. Okay, so this is the last version. Okay, and now all the things are ready, so now I am publishing, or you can say uh, uh, I'm showing to the public that you can use it now, because the bot is now working 100% and really amazing working. Okay, so if you need the bot, yes, I already show you contact details here: WhatsApp, Telegram, or Gmail. If you need the trial, you have need to contact me on my WhatsApp, Telegram, or Gmail, and then you have need to give me your trading account number and just text me, give me the trial, and I will give you the trial. Okay, I will give you the trial for the 3 days, and in the 3 days, if you will use it in the real account, you can easily earn around more than $250 if you will use it in the 3 days. Okay, 24 by 7, maybe 12 hours in a day. Okay, then of course you can easily earn more than $200. Okay, that is the minimum, that is the minimum target that you will achieve. Okay, the maximum target, maybe you will get the profit of more than $300, maybe $350. Okay, that is the maximum. Okay, if you need, you can contact me on WhatsApp, Telegram, or Gmail. Okay, write one at the end if you want to contact me on Telegram. And remember, there are a lot of fake Telegram channels, so you need to be contact me and write one at the end. And any further query or any question, yes, you can ask me. And that's it, I think. Any further query, any question, yes, you can ask me, and I will respond and I will support. And that's it for the next video. Bye bye, take care. And the last thing, please subscribe my channel and must like my video. Okay, and after like or subscribe my channel, and text me, and I will give you the free trial. Okay, for the next video. Bye bye, take care.